Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and I have not one, but two KnitCrate boxes. If I can figure out how to turn these so that it actually says KnitCrate to you, it would be cool. Well, anyway, I have two of them, and which is which, I'm not sure. So let's get on and open these. So, as usual, the pretty packaging. And, of course, I do the anything goes with KnitCrate. And this says it's from Audine Wools. Oh my golly. Oh my golly, this stuff is nice. Oh. The color is peat. Superwash merino wool. %, 15% nylon, 10% cashmere. I believe it. It's wonderful. It's a fingering weight, 429 yards or 401 meters, 100 grams. Suggested needle size would be US 0 to 1 or 2 to 2.5 millimeters. Machine wash, delicate cycle, tumble dry low. So, oh my golly, this is so nice. I can't tell, but I think there could be just a minimum amount of umber to that. It's like it's not quite 100% one tone. I don't think it's just my lighting. I like the color. I really like the way it feels. Oh, boy, I need this. It's a pen from KnitCrate. Let's see what the colorway peat is for. It's a sock yarn. And there are the sock colorways. And so let's see what the sock pattern looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Probably won't make that particular pattern, but because I'm terrible to follow patterns. But look at that. That's pretty. And, does it tell us anything else about it? Glenda Winkleman, the creative grandma, is the designer that they've used this time. And so, is there anything else of real excitement to show in this one? Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to keep going here because I have a whole nother box. I'll put it away. And then, since that was the sock crate, this is the monthly yarn crate. Ooh, what have we here? 2 balls of Audine Wool's Shine Sport Colorway Sky. 80% superwash merino, 30% tencel. 350 yards is 100 grams. Machine wash cool, tumble dry low. You can tell it's not cashmere, but it's still nice. I'm kind of a fan of a wool and tencel. It's fun to dye up. It's just kind of fun to spin too. So I have two of these now. Are they identical? This is the next question. Do they both have all the same colors? I believe they do. And I hope this shows up because these are very pastel, some of them. I mean, the blue shows up, obviously. Is the purple showing up? And if it's showing up, is it showing up? How purple is it showing up? But there's some pastel blue and very light purple. Anything else? I think those are the main things I see. So that's very nice. And ooh, a big old button. Oh, I want to run a string through this one. This is a nice heavy one, and I can play button and string. And I have done that at the Fiber Fest. I have set it up, and the kids loved it. And I said, you know, this will teach you about spin rates and how that works. So let's look and see what all the projects are in here, because we just looked at the... Okay, this is the sky. That was the chill out. The peat was the all natural for the socks. You know, the Energize Me was pretty cool this time too. And so was the Sprout. It says cobalt purple and sky blue on a natural cream. So, okay, so let's look and see what else they had. One of the things they suggested was the sand dunes hat, and hand warmers. And the Nora toque and fingerless gloves. Let me see if there's anything else here, because it's unusual for them to put something on the front that isn't included, but I'm beginning to think it's not included. Well, I do not see that pattern. Oh well, I can figure that one out just by looking at it. So, here are their plans for March on the back. And to take a better look at that, or actually read the pattern to see what stitches that's showing, because to me it doesn't really show up. However, now on the back it says join the next round, and so that is something that you can certainly do. And I do believe that if I pause this, I can find something out for you. Let me pause this and come back. Yes, I'm back, and I looked it up, and it's still intact. If I give you a referral, and this is any member can give you a referral, if I give you a referral, you can get a trial KnitCrate package. Usually it's the yarn box for $5 for that first trial. And so if you're interested, let me know and I can refer you and you can get a $5 trial package. So can't knock that. Or if you have another friend who you'd like to have refer you, you could do that too. But always willing. So next video, I am thinking about promoting a little bit of a charity activity, and it's sponsored by Lion Brand. I've gotten no connection with them except that I buy their yarn, but they are sponsoring Hat Not Hate, and that's making blue hats for school children. They will be distributed next October, and the next time I put up a video, I will include the information, and I think we'll start making some blue hats. And so if you'd like to join that, it'd be great, and we'll look at some different hats that we can make, and they have their patterns too, but you can join us and we'll do that for a few videos. So thanks, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, certainly hit the notification button so that you can see when I'll be back, or maybe it'll be Tracy sometimes, you never know. But see you later.